Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet ring with crystals. Let's start with the materials required. Here I have strung some crystals. We will require 36 crystals. And here is how I thread them. This is a thin needle, size 12. The holes in the crystal are too small compared to the cotton thread we will be using. The needle appropriate for this thread will not pass through this crystal. So what I prefer to do is take this thin needle with this thin nylon thread Now pull this thread through this loop like this. Now you can simply pick these crystals on the needle and gently slide them down the nylon thread onto the cotton thread. Very easy method, friends. No more worries about thick thread and beads with small holes. So here we have 36 crystals on the thread and one big crystal for the center. Here I will be using a 1.75 mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and some glue. This is optional to seal the ends. This is the cotton thread I will be using for the project. So let's start. You can also start with a magic ring or you can chain 5. Make a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over and pull through and chain 1. Now this is the ring. Hold the tail along with the ring and make 12 single crochets in this ring. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We have 12 single crochets in the ring. Now insert the hook into the first single crochet and yarn over and pull through. This completes our first row. For the second row, chain 1 and pull up 3 crystals. Insert your hook into the first single crochet and with the 3 crystals make a single crochet like this. Again pull up 3 crystals three crystals at a time. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through both loops. The next 3 crystals, insert your hook into the next stitch and with the crystals make a single crochet. We will repeat this process for all the 36 crystals. Once we complete the second row with all 36 crystals, insert the hook into the next stitch and make a single crochet. Into the next stitch, one more single crochet and the third single crochet into the next stitch. We are making the band for the ring. Chain 1 and turn your work around. Make 3 single crochets on the 3 single crochets of the previous round. Chain 1 and turn your work around. Continue making these 3 single crochets till you reach the size of your finger. You can stop and check if you have reached the desired length. Just wrap it around your finger and see how much more you need. Whichever finger you want to wear it. Continue making a few more rows. Let's check once again. I think we have reached the desired length. We are almost there. Yes, it's fine. Make a couple more rows. So to join the two ends, you can either crochet them together, or you can also cut a long tail and use a tapestry needle to stitch these two ends together. I actually need to go to the other side because I will be crocheting them together. At this point, you can cut a long tail and stitch them with a tapestry needle, but I am going to do it with the crochet hook itself. So see the exact position where you want to attach the band. And stitch them together with simple slip stitches. The band is properly attached now, so you can just make a stitch, pull up the loop, and before cutting the thread, just check it once if it is fine. This is thread, friends, and it stretches a little bit, so don't make the band very large, otherwise it will be very loose on your finger. Cut off the thread. Pull the thread inside and make a few knots here and there, and then you can cut off this extra tail. And now the ring is almost done. We are just going to attach the big crystal in the center. I have taken some thread on the tapestry needle. Twist the ring a little bit to expose the lower part of it. Make a stitch here, leave a tail, now again with the same process, the thin needle and the nylon thread, I'm going to thread the big crystal on this cotton thread. Come out from the same hole in the center. Make one more stitch on the other side. And now just simply tie a couple of knots with these two ends. Just check that the crystal sits right in the center of the ring and it is properly placed. And make 2 or 3 tight knots. And once the knots are done, cut off the extra thread, and friends, our ring is ready. Twist it back, and there you are. I hope this video has helped you, and I am sure you are going to try this project. And by the way friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, because that will give you regular notifications of my new videos. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.